får grønn.
So day number 4, everybody is a little bit tired, been very long days, and so we're preparing now. We will have some guests. Today we are showing the house for all the neighbors. We invited them yesterday and day before. Let's see who comes. Maybe nobody because it's kind of rainy. But let's hope somebody comes. We know that we have very good neighbors on that side and on that side because we have prepared Latvian food, Latvian red beet soup. Karlis is climbing up a tree, so we're taking out some dead wood and cleaning the ones like this elex. We will make a shape out of it. We haven't decided if it is gonna be a cylinder or a little bit more like rounded, but this all is gonna be parking if guests come, so we will be ready. So not good news is about house. There is no insulation. This is Norway and there is no insulation, so it's totally empty. I don't know, birds or rats, but there is all empty. And the house is at bottom of it. It's quite rotten. If you go here where the trees been growing, so this little building, so yes, this is not good, and also no insulation. So only one wall with insulation. Maybe it was very expensive. The house was built after Second World War. So Norwegians, we wrote on our friends, if they have some furniture, they don't need it. So we got already yesterday a very functional table and chairs. So we will sit today. We've been standing 3 days. The day number 4 is day with sitting. We have painted a little bit all around. This is our main painter, Jani. Saki, hello. You speak English? No, he is a painter, not speaker. So this is also not good, but this is the only piece of wall there is some insulation inside. So at least we know that there was at that time insulation. This window we have found in new and also a used one, so we will see which one we buy, but it's quite rotten here. So we got some boards, oak ones, so we will fix and build something out of oak. Our team came yesterday. So we have a little storage right now here. We have some equipment, some big oak boards. Let's go up. But this is gonna be nice workshop place. We have a professional, another painter, Karlis. At least his costume looks very professional. Let's turn on some light. This is already painted. We will hang some paintings. Don't touch the walls. On the walls before the guests come. Maybe we will have even a sofa here. So here we have started pressure washing. But this washer is maybe not strong enough. Let's see. Maybe it's. Yes, we have a quite big house. It will take a week. So this house, we don't know what we will do about. But of course it's a beautiful house and we will have maybe storage. There was some sheep before. Zidra wants to live in it. Maybe you have some idea, I don't know. So there was one part of the house has collapsed, so we are taking it down right now. Maybe we should fix it, what do you think? No way, this is no way. A lot of good stuff we can find here. garbage, sofa, winter tires, it's all going away now. Artists, Gunters, Nauris, let's make introduction and then pink soup. So today we have, I can introduce LABIE KOKI team here. The owners of the house, Jani, youngest, Edgars Neilands, youngest from a Neilandi family. Then we have Karmøy Island, oldest boy from a Neilandi family. And we have one boy, Jakobs, in between, and he is following a small daughter, Mara, she's 4. So he's had to stay at home because it was enough with Janis here. Then Nauris, gardener, he will stay here, will be how long nobody knows, but he chose already the blue room upstairs. Lene, also gardener, and also one of LABIE KOKI climbing girls. So she is also arborist and can climb the trees. And artist is our master in making furniture and all playgrounds for children, oak, mostly in oak, but not only. And here he's making a furniture inside the house for us. The same Peter is helping to artists, and he is doing many things, mostly learning. He's still young and open for all kind of activities in his life. So now we have Gunters. He is a builder, building houses, and not only, also playgrounds for children's, furniture, and all of it. And Zidra is a master of LABIE KOKI. So I can travel because Zidra is taking responsibility. Money, I think all the LABIE KOKI money, I don't know. Zidra knows already, I think 8 years. So do we have some money? I just ask sometimes, can we buy a house in Norway? Maybe. Anna is our social media, one of the youngest in LABIE KOKI, but been riding horses and doing hard things, so ready to work hard. And I know she helped a lot in the house as well. So, and this Carlis is still working, and he's one of our 15 climbers from LABIE KOKI team, climbing and pruning trees. This is what we do a lot in Latvia, Tyskland, Germany, Frankrike, some other countries as well. So, and we have Anna and Amelia. Chuck, stand up. Both are 15 years, they are cousins. And Anna is my daughter, she was not coming if she's a friend, and the cousin Amelia is not coming with. So it was very expensive for me.
Had a picture of one of them.
Was it one place here as well?
Here, yeah, where they are standing. Yeah.
So this was a place where one man's house was.
Yeah.
And
they was allowed to have a house, to build a small house. So they had a family here, but then they had to work at the farm. So they wasn't paying rent, but they had a duty to work at the farm.
And there was a rule: if you die, your family have to move out.
Yeah. So if the man died, it was in the contract, the wife and children all immediately had to move.
And if some children were not listening, they had to leave there.
Yeah.
So if this would be cleaned out from acers, and there would be marked some geometrical garden, this would be fantastic. This is just one opportunity to make a fantastic garden in Karmøy. Well, this is a very big and long history. Maybe this would be the oldest garden in Karmøy. But of course, to make it now, this is a great job.